What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? Skinny Boy Randy, how you doing today? Hey, you guys, what's up? I'm trying to wake up. How you doing? Happy Sunday to you. I hope you're having a great, growing, and blessed, prosperous day. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. You could be anywhere in the garden universe, but you choose to spend a little time with the Skinny Boy Randy, and I appreciate you, and I love you. If nobody told you today, I do love you. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Also, want to give a shout out to everyone for all of the condolences and everything that we were going through in our family. Thank you so much for the condolences, all the love and support. It was greatly appreciated and received by the family. You guys know exactly who I'm talking to. Thank you so much. I love you guys. You are the best. We had the services yesterday. We're back home. You guys, look at this weather. Yesterday was 85 degrees, almost 90 degrees. Now look at today. It's 50 degrees, y'all. I got a jacket on. Yesterday it was hot, sunny, beautiful. Today, 50. I don't know. Mother Nature must have took a trip to the North Pole. Okay. Maybe she's going to get ready for Christmas. I don't know. But she took us there. 30-something degrees. Wow. Okay, and tomorrow it's jumping back up. So be careful when your weather fluctuates like that. Don't run outside without a jacket because there's a light drizzle as well. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Also, click the like and subscribe button. Yeah. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, going over to the Facebook group, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are welcome. That's the name of the Facebook group. Let them know I sent you from over here on YouTube, okay? Okay, we love having our new members. Yes, you guys, we're doing great over there. I love you so much. Also, I'm going to be doing some product reviews, you guys. People are starting to send me some products they want me to test out, and I'm just going to give you my honest opinion about them, okay? And I want you to chime in and let me know what you think about them, okay? Okay, because we ain't got time to be lying to nobody. We don't do no lying, Craig. But anyway, I just want to do a quick video on how I'm getting ready for November gardening, okay? If you want to follow me, go ahead and follow me. So get your supplies ready. I'm going to make this video now, so when we get started, see the wind's blowing? When we get started, you'll have everything that I have, and we can work together, okay? Okay, so let's just dive right into this video. Okay, November is starting to get cold. A lot of things we're going to be growing inside, you guys. So first of all, get you a good grow light. Depending on what size space you're going to be growing in, you know, get the light that suits your space. I have the long one, and I have the House Bright LED. Also, heat pad. Get you some heating pads because we're going to be germinating seeds in the middle of winter, and we're going to have artificial heat. We're going to have some heaters as well. Get you a heater depending on the space that you have. Get you a heater. We're going to need some heat, okay, you guys? We're going to need fans. We're going to need fans for air circulation to keep those plants blooming, you know, keep them moving. We're mimicking summer. That's what we're going to do, and we're going to see how this goes, you guys, okay? Okay, look at that lettuce that we trimmed the other day where we cut all the way down. It's back already. I picked that orange pepper the other day. Now it has about 8 flowers on it. When you pick one, more will come. Okay, okay. Everything's doing good, you guys. Chinese cabbage coming along. Okra still producing. But yeah, what I've done is I went in, I cleaned out my garage. You guys, you'd be surprised how much you can find when you clean out your garage that you can garden with. All of these containers that have a lot of junk in them, going to clear the junk out. We're going to use these grow box. Look at this little 2-drawer thingy that's not being used for anything. All this stuff was packed up when we moved. That's going to be a grow container, you guys. Grow container. Now, I'm going to take you inside to where I'm going to be doing my inside gardening. I'm going to take you in my shed for the first time, you guys. I'm so blessed to have a huge shed. It's really a pull-in 2-car garage. But I just thank God for that. Thank you, Lord, for the beautiful, huge shed, you guys. And come on in. So as you can see, I'm cleaning out my shed. I have a huge shed to work with. It's so big that my greenhouse actually fits in it. I didn't have to break the greenhouse down. I know the lighting's not good, you guys, so we're not going to be in here long. But yeah, my whole greenhouse is in here. Can you see it? And I still have all of this space to work with. So we're going to be growing inside of the greenhouse. But yeah, you guys, these are some things that you want to go ahead and get ready for November. You want to get your your seeds, whatever you want to plant. Especially like garlic. I'm going to start sowing my tulips in the front yard. I know that's not a vegetable or something that you can eat, but it's a part of gardening. So get you some tulip bulbs, get you some garlic bulbs, depending on your zone. We're going to be doing a video when we plant those. Yeah, you guys, so that's all you need to get your November gardening started. Get your lighting, get your heating source, get you some air circulation, get you your seeds, of course, your seed starting containers. Don't forget your seed starting containers. We're going to need those. They sell greenhouses everywhere, you guys. You can get a little small one that fits inside of your home. You can get a small one that fits outside of your deck or your patio. You can get the larger one that fits outside. Last year we had a lot of wind, so mine kind of got banged up a little bit, but it survived. So just pick what works for you, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Hopefully this helps somebody get ready for November gardening. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Throw something in it.